Originally, I had carpal tunnel, and it was kind of by accident that I actually saw him. I was trying to get in to see another doctor, and I couldn't. And they said, well, he could see you. And I went, okay. And so I went to see him, and he told me how he was going to perform the surgery, which was different than the one I'd had on the other arm. So I was kind of nervous about it, but I'm so glad that I stuck with him because it just turned out beautifully. Not a lot of therapy or anything involved with it. And then this past September, I was having lots of problems with my shoulder and unable to lift my arm. So he did an orthoscopic surgery and repaired a rotator cuff and took out some of the debris in that was in the joint. And it's now working really well. And the pain is gone, so that made me happy. Well, I have to go back to a story about my husband who had a stroke and was paralyzed on his right side and had some contractures and things of his right arm. And Dr. Richards did some release and that. And just getting to know him more through that experience made me realize how wonderful he was, because he was so kind and so patient with someone who couldn't talk and express himself. And he really helped me through it. And when my husband died, he came to the funeral with his wife, who I had met during one of my husband's hospital stays. And I just think that goes beyond and above what you expect a physician to do. I don't know, I just think he's one of the kindest people I've ever met. Absolutely, there is no doubt in my mind that they wouldn't love him as much as I do.